How to use Btootos A90 Pro wireless earbuds setup and features in this video. I'm going to show you how to set up and use the Btootos A90 Pro wireless earbuds, including Bluetooth pairing, touch controls, charging calls, and some quick troubleshooting tips. Before using them for the first time, fully charge both the earbuds and the charging case. Place the earbuds correctly inside the case and connect the case to a power source using the USB-C charging cable. The charging case includes an LED display that makes it easy to check the remaining battery level. A full charge takes approximately 1.5 hours. Now let's connect them to your phone. Open the charging case and remove both earbuds. They should automatically power on and begin pairing with each other. Then open the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and select the A90 Pro when it appears in the available device list. Some current Btootos listings may show a different Bluetooth device name, so use the name specified with your particular unit if necessary. Once connected, you can start playing music immediately. The earbuds feature touch controls, allowing you to manage music, adjust functions, and handle phone calls without constantly reaching for your smartphone. For the best experience, choose the correct silicone ear tip size. You want the earbuds to sit securely and comfortably in your ears. A proper seal can also improve perceived bass response and reduce outside noise. For phone calls, the A90 Pro includes microphones with ENC noise reduction technology, designed to make your voice clearer by reducing some environmental noise during calls. Remember that this is primarily microphone noise reduction and shouldn't be confused with premium active noise cancellation for everything you hear. Battery life is another strong point. Current specifications list around 6 to 8 hours of listening from the earbuds, with the charging case extending total usage beyond 30 hours. Btootos currently advertises up to approximately 36 hours of combined playtime. The earbuds are also marketed with IP7 level water protection, making them useful for workouts and exposure to sweat or occasional splashes. Even so, avoid deliberately exposing the earbuds or charging case to unnecessary water, and never charge them while wet. If only one earbud connects, the earbuds won't pair properly or you suddenly lose the connection. First, place both earbuds back into the charging case. Make sure they're charged, close the lid, wait briefly, and try pairing again. If the problem continues, remove the existing Bluetooth pairing from your phone and follow the reset procedure provided for your particular A90 Pro version. Here's a pro tip. Periodically clean the ear tips and especially the metal charging contacts on both the earbuds and case. Dirty contacts can prevent an earbud from charging correctly and may look like a battery or connection failure. And that's how to set up and use the Btootos A90 Pro wireless earbuds. Charge them, pair them through Bluetooth, get the right fit, learn the touch controls, and keep the charging contacts clean for reliable everyday use. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Btootos tutorial you want me to see next.